Okay. Do you guys have internships for the fall or spring year? Um, yes. Although most of the internship roles have been filled, but we do have internships available. Now, right now, let me see. The quant team internships are already filled, but in general, I would say just send an email to info@tokenmetrics.com. Include your resume and why you think you would be a good fit, and maybe if there's a particular role you would like to intern with. But most of the roles are already filled, and but I mean we're always open to see like if somebody is amazing, if somebody is doing great work. Actually, I would say the roles that we could use help with would be if you're an Ethereum smart contract developer and you have a pretty good resume or track record, meaning that you've worked with great companies before or you've built great things before and you have a GitHub. That would probably be one of the things we need the most at the moment. Um, Outside of that, if you have a good understanding, actually I would say if you have a great understanding of the crypto space, meaning that you've been investing for a while and you think you could add value in some capacity, whether it's through your investment analysis, maybe you really understand DeFi, and you're a good writer, for example. Same thing, email us as well. Yeah, that's kind of that. Maybe if you're a trader, right? Maybe you could intern with Bill. Bill, any comments?
One of the best things that I think we're doing as a company is we're giving young people a shot at really shining, right? These kids are getting a shot at like really building a business. It's not just like some internship job where you're like shuffling papers around
Yeah.
or doing email. Like these guys are like building a business.
Yeah, I mean, one of the cool things with summer batch and also spring batch of interns we had, I mean, especially the investment analysts, I was there with them pretty much twice a week, going through how to do fundamental analysis, right? Like coaching them, mentoring them, not just handing off to somebody else, but I was there directly working with them, and now they've kind of really learned a lot, right? And it was a pretty cool experience because we also learned as well how to kind of take our system and educate some people who weren't even in crypto, right? So some of them came from schools like John Hopkins, Columbia University, and while they were smart, they didn't really have any experience, any past experience with crypto, or their experience with crypto was minimal. And taking them and kind of making them now more proficient in the crypto space was pretty good, right? So if you have any interest in interning with Token Metrics, send your resume, your CV to us, info@tokenmetrics.com, and we'll basically go through it. If it's a good fit, we'll be in touch.